Hi Doug, I'm here in Micro Center looking at the only tablet PC that they have currently on display that meets your needs. Just very quickly, here's some information about it. It's a Hewlett-Packard, runs $850 plus tax, and that includes Windows 7 Home operating system and a scaled-down version of Microsoft Office. So if you want a full-blown Office, you'd have to purchase that. But at least what it does have includes Word, so we're able to test the functionality that you like, and it seems to meet your needs. Just very quickly, I'll confirm that it has a VGA port. I'll show it to you. It's here on the back. There it is. It's the 15-pin. So you will be able to project from this to your class. That's how you hook it into the system. So here we see it, like the tablet PC I was showing you before, it looks like a laptop in that it has a keyboard down the bottom, so the full-blown QWERTY keyboard, and then the touchpad down the bottom with the built-in mouse, and then the screen up top. So obviously we can type just like normal, blah 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 blah, and it works like a regular old laptop. If we want to use the tablet functionality, what we do is flip it around. So I'm trying to, it's kind of difficult to show this. I'm going to have to set the camera down. But, so I flipped it around so that now the keyboard is hidden and we're seeing just the screen here. This is the stylus that comes with the computer that you use. So what I'll do is show me annotating this document. So this is a student's essay, not a very good essay, but I think it's good enough for illustration purposes. So what we do, we touch anywhere to bring up the pins menu. So let me touch on pins to bring up that ribbon. So we have several controls. We can choose pin, we can choose to highlight text, we can choose to erase annotations that we've done. We can select objects using the pin, and then we have various options for colors and thicknesses of the pen that we're writing with, as well as color of the highlighter. So let's practice first using a black pen, so I'll select that, and let's suppose I want to annotate this by circling this and telling the student, you know, what is this? So you see, it actually writes fairly well. It's legible. We could have chosen a pen that was less thick if we wanted. We can change the color, so let's change the color to red and perhaps circle this typo using that color. We can highlight, so I'll select the highlight tool here. We'll highlight the first sentence. We can use the eraser to erase an annotation. So, for example, we'll get rid of that and maybe get rid of the red circle that we put around that typo. So you see it has that sort of functionality that you're looking for. Given that this is also a laptop, if we want, we can move it back to the canonical laptop position. I'm going to have to put the camera down for just a second to do that. And so now here we are back looking at the document, and we can go back to just typing using the keyboard to make annotations, add comments, just like we normally would. So I'll go ahead, I'll save this document and send it to you so that you can confirm that the annotations that I've included do in fact appear for the student. Oh, one thing that I forgot to demonstrate. Let me go back to slate mode, so I flip this around. One thing I was going to show you is that you can use the stylus to move text around. So let's go back here to the home menu, and I'll select a bit of text. Let's say this right here, this bit of gobbledygook, and let's say I want to cut that. So we just touch cut. and now it disappears along with the carriage return. So we could put it over here if we wanted. If we click paste, and there's the gobbledygook appears over there. So you can use the stylus in tablet mode to move text around if you like. So I'll focus again on this so you can see some more details about the computer, and I will send you in a separate email the file that I just created so that you can see that the annotations are saved in the document. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.